Of course. So, hello fam, I'm Danielle and we're taking over the vlog for today because I'm babysitting Mr. Tyler and Miss Sarah. So, voila.
Look at her. You know that she bad. Watch her. What are you doing? Hello, Monsieur Delaveaus. Say hello to the fifths. So are you giving them 2 finger?
You prefer one?
Guess what? Hi fifths, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and I am heading out today. Can you guys see me representing? Representing. Today I have my Jamaica presentation. So your girl is ready. Got my hair done this morning. Put on my Jamaica black, green and gold with the clasp on the foot. Anyway, you guys, my kids are staying home today because they're on 2 weeks vacation from school, but my friend Danielle is coming to stay with them today, tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, so that I can go off to school and babe can go off to work. But the week 2 babe will stay home with them, so I leave some things for Danielle so she can give them lunch and breakfast and all that good stuff. With all that said, I don't know if Danielle will get to show you guys what she and the kids will be up to today, but I'll leave the camera home just in case. Anyway, stick and stay. Love you guys. Say hello to the kids real quick. Say good morning. You guys gonna be nice with Tata today?
Yes.
No shouting.
Yes.
You gonna be nice with Tata today?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tata soon come, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have fun with Tata, okay?
Okay. Mama.
Good girl, and no crying. And you watch TV and you eat your lunch and you take your nap, okay?
Okay.
Good job. And you play your big brother role, okay? What you want to tell me?
The first thing I'm going to do when I see Danielle come in the house is take a picture of her.
You need to go and eat your breakfast right now, and you need to take some medicine.
My breakfast for me is going to be the porridge.
So you don't want the crepe? So you want the porridge right away? Huh? Answer me now?
No, I want the porridge when I'm to Danielle.
Okay, come for the medicine. So you don't want crepe this morning?
No.
Okay. Why don't you in the sink?
Do you want me to help you?
Huh?
Do you want me to help you?
No, that's okay. I'm just putting this thing in the... Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head out right now so I can catch the bus. So I'll catch you guys later, and I'll talk to you guys when I get back home.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Bye bye, voila.
Okay, so I don't know what your mommy normally does on here when you daddy's have breakfast. Don't pick your nose. 5 minutes are finished and you haven't finished.
But I have.
No, you still have some bites. And you still
I
have
have
some
2
bites too.
minutes of
And 2 more minutes. Okay, and then 2 more minutes. And 2 more minutes would equal how many? 2 plus 5?
7.
Good job.
That's easy. I even know 53 times 88.
Which is?
84,664.
Hold on, because I can't calculate that in my head. 53? Say it again, 53?
Times 88, but maybe the is a bit wrong.
How much you got?
84,664.
No. 4,664.
I know that there was some errors.
Ah.
Because when I had shown it to my teacher, she had said there was a bit of errors, but I didn't had to see correction.
Ah, okay. I love it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a big bite. And 42 seconds. Good stuff. You want the rest of it?
Not everything. I tell stuff.
Okay, hold on. But you can just have the rest. It's not that much. But there's not that much left. Because you still have a full bowl, lady. But you still have a full bowl. Look. I'm going to give you a little bit. Voila. See? Ready?
I make some more things fall.
It's okay. We'll just put it back. Okay, so we're going to wait for Tyler to get some paper.
But I want you to help me.
Of course. So, hello fam, I'm Danielle and we're taking over the vlog for today because I'm babysitting Mr. Tyler and Miss Sarah. So, voila. Okay. But hold on darling, you have to add some more to it. You got it?
Found. Can you take it please?
Sure. Okay, so what type of painting are you making?
Me, I'm going to make a picture.
A picture of?
I don't know what's it.
You don't know as yet? What about you, Sarah? What are you going to paint? Ready? Put your hands up.
You need to put water in this thing because they're dry. Dry paint. I think they're gray.
Oh, you're painting gray?
Yeah.
So you have to put but what color is this? Black. Good job. So how do you make gray?
Gray is black and white.
Exactly. Good job.
But we don't have no white.
You don't have any. So where do you want me to put water?
On them for it to be a bit.
On a little bit. Okay.
Because if you touch it, you can see it's dry.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, let me put it in the kitchen. So why are you acting so shy? You say you're going to sing a song. Sing a song.
Alexa, sing le nuit ce soir.
But that's not you. You're supposed to sing. He claims he was going to sing a song and now he's hiding and acting all shy. Sorry, you're going to sing?
I'm sing.
You're going to sing for us? He's hiding. Why is he hiding?
Dans la jungle, derrière les jungles, le lion est mort ce soir. Et les hommes de tranquilles s'endorment, le lion est mort ce soir. Ah, ouh. Ah, oui, boy, ah, oui, boy, ah, oui, boy. Ah, ouh.
You know when show mommy your painting?
Thank you.
Where's your painting? You know when show mommy?
You had fun with Tata? You had fun with Tata? Yeah. Did you give Tata trouble? You didn't Pata Modley, you give Tata trouble?
We had one meltdown when we were playing board games, but it was okay. It fell under the thing and she wanted it, but
Hi guys, I'm back, and I'm happy. My girl Danielle just left. I cannot thank her enough. It's so good when you have people around you that you can trust enough to leave your kids with, and with her I have zero worries. She took care of my babies all day. I left the camera for her to vlog. She said she vlogged a bit, but the battery unfortunately died. So I have to make sure I leave a fresh battery when I'm leaving the camera with her. So you guys didn't get to see my my presentation that I did at school today, but I'm happy to inform you that my presentation went well. It was amazing. The drops they finish. Done. So I'm gonna have to buy coconut to make more drops so Tyler can have, because Tyler loves drops. But my presentation was amazing. I execute the exact way I wanted to. Everybody, I was thinking that in my head that some people would be like, they not want to try and stuff like that. Everybody took one. So at the end of the presentation, no more drops remain. I came back home with none, 0. So I'm happy I made enough so everybody could get one. So yeah, that was a success. Now on to making dinner for the family, because now I'm home, I'm jumping back into routine because I have another presentation tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be doing a presentation on festival, and I'll be doing Reggae Sunfest. So tomorrow I'll tell you guys how that go and what I'll be doing and yada yada yada. So yeah, thanks again Danny, if you're ever watching this video. Can't thank you enough. So Daniel will be here back again tomorrow with the kids for me. So anyway, I had a good day and I'm sure the kids had a good day. Did you have a good day?
Yes.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
You had fun with Tata?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Good job. You and Tyler play Patamodley? Good job. She says she and Tyler play Play-Doh. Play-Doh is Patamodley in French. Yes, I saw it. Good job. But there's some big mosquitoes that Mama gonna have to kill them right now. You had fun doing Patamodley?
Yeah.
Good job. Yes, Mama. Good job. I'm about to make dinner, and this is something completely unusual for our household. The kids discover noodles in the pack, instant noodles, and they're obsessed with it. So I asked them what they want for dinner, and they told me noodles. So the good thing is that saved me from cooking, and another good thing is that they're happy whatever they want. So noodle is it for dinner. Tyler going to have the noodle with beef, and Sarah gonna have the noodle with chicken. So that's dinner, and I have food in the fridge, so babe and I will have that. So no cooking today. Yes, Mama making the noodle for you, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Second chicken for me.
Sure. Hey, Faith, you say hello to Faith.
One.
Can you say hello to Faith from morning?
My youth be there for the Gaza.
So why is she dancing? Look at her. Look at her. You dancing? You dancing? Well, there we have instant dinner.
Mama, help.
What do you want?
Help.
What do you want?
I push.
You want to push it? That's better?
Oh no.
What's wrong? Wait, Mama gonna put your noodle on here. Mama gonna put it here. Okay?
Okay.
Look at them play until they're tired. They're thirsty like. Look at the two of you. Huh? Play until you're out of breath. You can't even breathe. Listen to them.
Now water finish. Can you finish, please, Mama?
You fill it yourself. There's water up there. Just take your time.
You finish.
So you open both of them and you take your time and fill it up. Okay?
Okay.
Open
After
her
we're gonna
bottle.
play.
No, Sarah, no. Put it back. Tai gonna fill your bottle up for you. Watch her, you know. You know, you're a little trouble. You know? You're a little troublemaker. Yes, you can run, but you cannot take away the bottle cover when your brother wants to cover the bottle. Huh? Come, show your water, because she's waiting for you. Look at her, look at her. You know that she bad. Watch her, watch her. What are you doing? Hello, Monsieur Delaveaus. Say hello to the fifths. So why are you giving them 2 fingers?
You prefer one?
Guess what?
What is it? You have my glasses, but you show me your ring, right?
There's no ring.
So, where's your ring?
Tyler,
Bang, bang.
you didn't see that I have no ring on since... When did I wash my hair? Since Saturday? Zero ring. Today I go to school and I go like this because I love playing with my ring in class when I'm focused. And I say, where's my ring? My ring.
You lost it?
No, I know where it is. I just didn't remember to put it on. You rather me, you hear him? I should not take it off. You rather me not take it off, or you rather wash my hair with it and it's drop in the whole sinkhole? Who is gonna have to buy a new one? You rather me not wear it for a few days, or you rather it drop in the sinkhole? Which one? You tell me. Which one? Sarah, come find Tai. He's hiding. Come.
He's hiding behind the cushion. Come find him.
Where is Tai? That's why Tyler tricked her. Tyler put cushion down there, so because that's where. Joshua. She flicked the cushion right in baby's face. She flicked the cushion right in baby's face. Plop. But Ty, that was a good trick. Because she went there looking for you first.